Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Longley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast session for November 12th to 24th. November 12th to 16th, models and ensembles are in agreement. The flow of this period, we have strong positive anomalies that remain over the Bering Sea and Alaska. We have a trough here off the west coast of Canada in the northwest. Still have our ridge here over Mexico with above normal heights across the area from the Four Corners into the Mississippi Valley. We also have a trough here across the east, and we have an area of strong positive anomalies near Greenland. The northwest will remain active with rain and higher elevation snows that will also spread into the Rockies. A system off the mid-Atlantic coast may impact coastal areas. Little iffy on that right now. A zone of flow of Pacific origin will cause temperatures to be above normal from the Rockies to the Mississippi Valley. Temperatures will be below normal in the east and the northwest. November 15th to 19th, here we are at the 16th. Strong positive height anomalies are forecast to remain in place across Alaska and the Bering Sea. And we have, jumping around, and we have a trough across Alaska, from Alaska into the northwest. A ridge is still forecast over Mexico, with above normal heights from the Four Corners into the Mississippi Valley, into parts of the Midwest. A trough is forecast over the western Atlantic, you see right here. And some of the models are indicating above normal heights over the North Atlantic, you see right here. So that's a GFS. We go to the end of the period. This will be the 19th. Here's our trough, ridge, trough, ridge. Here's the area of positive height anomalies. Not very strong right now. And we look at the rest of the models. They're pretty much the same, except in various intensities. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for Northern California, Northwest and Northern Rockies, and portion of the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. You can see a little bit here. Forecast anomalies will be about 2 to 4 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast for the Rockies into the Mississippi Valley with anomalies of at least 6. Because you can see this is, I think this is the European ensembles. They're showing higher temperature anomalies. So we'll see how that works. And for precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation for the Northwest and Northern Rockies. And we have below normal precipitation for the Southern Rockies and the Plains. Now the period for November 20th to 24th, and I think there'll be changes occurring with the positive anomalies over the North Atlantic, and I'll get to that. We're going to start here. Here we are at the 20th. This is GFS. Still have our area of positive anomalies that will begin to retrogress westward. We have a trough here. This is favorable for the conditions for here. We have stronger positive anomalies here across the North Atlantic and Greenland. We have a little bit of a ridge over Mexico above normal heights, and here's our trough. Now we go to the end of the period, and we're going to go to, okay, we'll go to the 23rd. Look at these positive height anomalies, very strong. Favoring a very strong trough down here, 540 line into the Mid-Atlantic area. That's very cold. And we have a ridge here over the west trough, and this is favorable for NAO setup. And this is what I've been talking about for the last week, I think. As this retrogresses here, these positive height anomalies will join forces across northern Canada. This allows the cold air to come south. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states, with anomalies of at least 8 degrees above normal. Again, I know this is European ensembles showing still higher temperature anomalies here compared to the other models, but I'm forecasting at least 8 degrees could approach 12. And then we have below normal temperatures for the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. We're on forecasting numbers to be about 4 to 8 degrees below normal, and again showing higher anomalies. I'm going to wait and see how that pans out as the time gets closer. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for Northern California, the Northwest, the Northern Rockies, and we have below normal precipitation for the plains and the Mississippi Valley. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 12th to 24th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munning's World of Weather, and have a good day.